Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to share with you my outfits for end of summer, beginning of autumn. This is one of my favorite seasons, and for those of you who are new in here, hi, my name is Andreea and usually I would say 99.9% videos about makeup and skincare, as I am a makeup artist based in Paris. But from time to time, I do like to share my passion for fashion. And this video is extra special for me because I am pregnant. So this is going to stay on my channel, I hope, forever, and I could get back to it and look at myself and how I looked like. But I just wanted to let you guys know that all the outfits that I'm going to show you are not maternity clothing. So everything that I am wearing, I could totally wear when I am not pregnant. And I've tried my best to really not change my style during the pregnancy. So I just wanted to let you know that whether you are or you are not pregnant, you could still wear everything that I'm going to show you in this video. Before we get into it, I wanted to let you guys know that this video is in partnership with glassesusa.com. We've been collaborating for many years now, and if you know me, you know that every single one of my sunglasses and my eyeglasses are from their website. And usually I pick glasses that are more affordable. But for today's video, I'm going to show you some more bougie options. Now let's get into it and let me break down the first look. I'm crazy about basics and I'm still not over just a classic t-shirt. This one is a little bit different because it has these very cute sleeves and the softest cotton I've ever touched. It's from a brand called American Vintage. It's very, very big, and I guess some people could wear it like this. And I'm gonna add this very, very cute oversized denim jacket. And I just love how comfortable and young and fresh and cool this whole vibe is. I could totally wear this after pregnancy. I didn't get this to cover the bump. It's just like cool. I know this is not everybody's cup of tea, the chunky sandals, but I honestly love them. I think they give an edge to every single one of my outfits. You probably recognize this from older videos. This blue with black handle and then golden hardware. Details make the difference. So I've added this really, really beautiful necklace from Cinco. And I don't know about you, but I've always loved how sunglasses can make everything so cool, and it gives a very fresh and modern vibe. They're from Prada and I love this shape. You could find these obviously on glassesusa.com, and if you are not sure if they look good on you, you could check out their virtual mirror where you could literally upload a picture of yourself. Make sure it's a picture where you look straight, then adjust the picture and try out whatever glasses you want. I normally pick more affordable glasses from their website, but this time I wanted to be bougie. So I got this Prada and I'm not mad at it. And it becomes like mysterious. When you wear black sunglasses, like I cannot be disturbed. This model, along with some other options, you can find them in my description box, along with a really cool offer that you do not want to miss. Told you I'm gonna show you a more elegant look with the biker shorts. And listen, I did not come out with this idea. I've actually seen it on the streets here in Paris, and I really love the combination between something that is so sporty with leather and Chanel classic shoes. So basically what I added is this very, very cute black top. Then on top of it, I added this very beautiful and very versatile leather shirt that I got from IRO, and my classic bag from Celine. So this is just another way that I like to wear my biker shorts, and I feel comfortable, I feel chic, and not overly dressed. All right, now here comes the item that I was wearing the most this summer, which is this beautiful gray dress from Wolford, and I'm going to show you a lot of ways you could wear this dress. It's literally the perfect dress for daytime or nighttime, from Wolford in collaboration with Amina Mwadi, and the inspiration was actually Carrie in Sex and the City. You could never go wrong with this type of dress, and it's incredibly stretchy. You can make it a little bit longer if you want, or you can make it shorter. I like to wear this dress a little bit shorter. And this is more of a summery vacation beach vibe, totally up my alley when it comes to this fabric, because believe it or not, although it's so incredibly stretchy, it does not show the cellulite, okay? And I'm not mad about the fact that this dress is showing the belly so much. I'm so proud of it, and I love to show it off. Here I have paired with Amina Mwadi slippers. They're a very simple model, but this animal print gives it a vibe. They are super comfortable. I was wearing them in my vacation a lot, and a lot of you asked me what they are. And then this tiny little bag, can we call it a bag? But believe it or not, my phone, my lipstick, my sunglasses, and my wallet fit in here. This is from the Frankie shop. And I thought it's just a cute thing to have for summer, and I really wear it a lot. I'm gonna keep on wearing this dress for many, many years because this is also very expensive. So it's definitely an investment, just like anything from Wolford. If you guys know the brand, you know that it's a little bit more on the pricey side, but 100% worth it. Don't sleep on this dress. This is a more city vibe kind of an outfit. So I just added this pink, light pink shirt. I love the combination between gray and pink. I added the sneakers and then my Bottega Veneta cassette bag. I think I bought this last year in March, and I wear this a lot. I have no regret for buying this bag. To complete the look, I've added the Prada. These are, an investment, and I think with the designer sunglasses, at least me, I tend to pay so much more attention to where I put them because they are expensive. They are an investment. I always put them in their box, and I really appreciate this style. I think it completes the look. What do you guys think? Third way I like to wear this gray dress with my very bright yellow sweatshirt that I recently bought from this brand called Aries. Super cool stuff. I bought this from the men's section, but I think it works great. It's in size medium, and Alex could wear it too, so good investment, I would say. Again, I've paired this with sneakers to just dress it down, but I truly love the combination between this very, very bright yellow and the gray. And again, this bag, you keep on seeing the bag. I don't invest in bags as much as I do in clothes, obviously, because they're much more expensive. And I rarely find good quality that are actually accessible. Let's complete the look with a pair of sunnies. I found the perfect mini black dress. The little black dress is right here, and it's the exact same one as the gray that I've just showed you earlier, but this one is on black. And this, dress it down, dress it up, wear it for work, wear it with sneakers, to go at the cinema, wear it casually where you know you're gonna run into your ex. Both of these dresses are on size extra small, believe it or not, and there's still room right here. So I suggest you to go one size down with these because they're very, very stretchy. I love how they thought about, the fact that we are not perfect. And this little detail in here, I absolutely love it. I cannot tell you how much of a difference it makes. Super comfortable, and like I showed you earlier, you could wear it like this, which would probably be the right length if you are, for example, going to work. Like I said, I don't really like this length too much. Ooh, this goes pretty long, you guys. Imagine you have this dress and you have one of those days where like, what am I wearing today? You wear a nice necklace, a cute little bracelet, maybe you have a good bag and simple pair of shoes, black or whatever you prefer, and you have an outfit. I love it. I think that if I would wear a stiletto shoe, it will make it a bit not vulgar, because it also depends on your body type. But me being curvy, I think it's just a little too much if I would wear, like that super high heel. It just makes it a little bit more, I don't know, it gives it more chilled style with these Chanel. For those chilly days when you're going to the office, or when you're going to have a date after work, or maybe you're going to go out with your colleagues and have a drink, I wanted to add this, for rainy days, for a little like chilly days in autumn. It's such a cute trench coat. Recently got it from Mango, and I love the color. I love the fabric. I love the big collars right here. And yeah, it's a little bit long for me, but I do not mind, honestly. And then this is what it looks like closed. And of course, we've added some sunnies. And these are from Burberry, but I got them also from glassesusa.com, where I told you could find every single sunglasses that you could possibly think of. I think these are more like business, with a very straight line in here. It gives it a more serious, don't bother me type of situation. Look at this. I'm working in finances. No, I'm working in fashion. No, I'm a consultant. Or maybe you just don't like the trench coats, but you do like a nice, classy blazer. I see this the perfect outfit for work. And I've paired it with the tweed Chanel sling bags. These are probably my most worn glasses. They're also from Glasses USA, and I promised I'm going to show you both sunglasses and eyeglasses. And these, you guys, I thought my whole life that I do not look good with round frames, but I went on glassesusa.com and tried these with the help of the virtual mirror, and I couldn't believe that actually they looked good. I think what I wouldn't look good with would be the very, very small, like Harry Potter round kind of frame. This is another gray dress that if you are following me on Instagram, you know it. I bought it in spring and I wore it so much. It's from COS. It's relatively affordable, and I am loving this dress. Wear it with high heels if you want to make it a little bit more cocktail-like, or wear it with dad sandals or sneakers to give it a more casual look. This gray is so beautiful, just like the other one. It's like the perfect shade of gray. And you guys, don't sleep on this dress. You will have so much use out of this dress. First of all, it makes your shoulders look beautiful, but it still gives you room to have a bra, because I don't know how you are wearing your bras with this type of tops or dresses, but I have that little clip that keeps the two straps from the bra at the back. There are these clips, puts the straps together, so then you have open shoulders. Second thing, it will not emphasize the cellulite. I don't know about you. If you don't have it, you're very lucky, because I know most women have it, and I have plenty. I am now having cellulite even here on my back, and obviously all the way on the back of my legs, and now on my bum. But surprisingly, this dress hides it all, because it's a very let me get this close. This is the type of fabric. I mean, it's not very thick. You could still wear this in summer. I don't know, it gives a little room. And this is in size extra small. I bought it before I got pregnant, and I could still wear it. It's still like super stretchy. So with cost, I would say definitely go a size down. They do make clothes usually for very tall women. So this might be a little bit too long for me, but it doesn't really bother me. If you are tall, you're gonna love this. This is gonna be like up here probably. This little cardigan, I don't know how you call this. It's one of the best recent purchases. It has such a beautiful white, for those chilly nights where you're wearing a cute dress, but you don't want to get like a chunky sweater on top. This is like the perfect option. And then, like I said, you could absolutely make this more of a nighttime, or like a cocktail, or like a night out type of look. I kept the little cardigan and added a little wallet bag. And then these absolutely gorgeous sandals. I needed a pair of white sandals. These are from Bottega Veneta, and I really love them, surprisingly, but they're very, very comfortable. Here comes a very simple outfit that, believe it or not, you see this pretty much every day in Paris. A very simple but really well cut pair of pants. They're just very flowy and very comfortable, but then at the same time, you could totally dress them up, because they have this sort of a satin fabric. And because they have elastic right here at the waist, I can wear them. Again, these are in the smallest size, so that only shows how short I truly am if these fit. I recently bought them. They're from American Vintage, and then I'm wearing the chunky sandals from In Other Stories. Paired with a simple crop top and a nice poplin shirt from Arquette. I also wanted to show you these eyeglasses. It's not the first time I'm showing you, but they're my second favorite pair. The first one I showed you earlier. These ones are for whenever I wear white, or I don't know, I want to give a little something to my outfit, because I actually love this turquoise, chic, and these are super affordable. I cannot even begin to tell you how comfortable I feel in this, and very chic. Again, this bag matches with everything, and it's so spacious. So such a great purchase. All right, guys, and this was my outfits video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and please let me know in the comments if you have any favorites, if you would wear anything of what I've showed you. I would love to know your opinion. Thank you so much, Glasses USA, for partnering with me in this video, and don't forget that you guys have a very special offer in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one with a makeup video. Bye.